Now we start with the 1 hour chart. Okay, first of all, if we refer to our analysis, when the price was within this move, we mentioned we can expect to get one more drop, and this is what we get. And we were mentioning that we have this two line 213, 210. All right, we mentioned the price if it dropped first, we expecting the price to take 213 before it reverse. As we can see, exactly the price take 213 and reverse. Now we want to see whether there is a big correction for continuation, or still we can expect this one to drop for sure. If we get one more drop, if we get any buy setup from the after, I mean, if the price give us one more drop, any buy setup from there can give us better trade setup rather than we buy from here, because at that time we can consider this one turn to bigger channel. Okay, in this case we move to daily chart. We see what we have based on higher time frame. First of all, as we can see, based on higher time frame, similar to other charts, we get a down move. No, still we are within this corrective move. The price couldn't broke the top. All right, in this case we move to forward chart. We see how we can trade based on forward chart. All right, as we can see based on forward chart, what we expect, we want the price to break the top, which is 232. Okay, and as we can see, we have a correction. The prices start to correct here. Now we want to see whether this one, how long we will be within this corrective before we get the next move. All right, and rather than that, we don't have any information, anything here to discuss. In this case, we move to 1 hour chart. Okay, based on 1 hour chart, if we want to look for buy, even if we put our trend line here, we cannot this one consider as a breakout of that. Okay, that's why we can adjust this to here. All right, as I mentioned, the first best things, if you want to look, I mean, if you want to look for buy, the best things is if we get one more drop beat, because at that time we can consider this is the way is moving as a channeling. Okay, then from there, any reversal if we get from the bottom, we can get it. But how about if the price continue from here? The only way to trade by breakout of the trend line or having entry above the top, which is 230. Okay, but what we should know that we should know that the highest price for, I mean, when if we talk about the highest price, we're referring to the price when we are within this corrective zone. Okay, what we want to price to break the 232, because as we can see here, still we are within this corrective move. Easily price can tag the top and reverse. This one tend to a bigger correction. Okay, in this case, no, we should know that if you want to have entry, whether we want to have entry above the stop, which is 230, or at the previous stop, which is 232, what we want the price to tag and break and continue. If the price tag and reverse, we should take out the trade. And as I say, if you want to trade this, whether the breakout of the this trend line or the breakout of the top, okay. Rather than that, we don't have any other option. And the best thing is if we wait, this one give us one more drop, because at that times we will have the price. We can comfort the width moves within the channel, and anytime the price drop, we can look for buy. And when the price reach to the upper trend line, if we see there is no breakout, we take out the trade. Okay. By the way, we don't have a really good trade setup right now. Okay, as I mentioned how we can trade it, this is the only way. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update or any changes, then I will share. Thanks.